Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to change your profile picture in ClickUp so your teammates always know who they're talking to in comments, tasks, and conversations. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by signing in to your ClickUp account. Once you're in your workspace, look at the very bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your current profile avatar sitting there. Go ahead and click on it, and a small menu will pop up. From that menu, select My Settings. This takes you to your full account settings page, where you control everything personal to your ClickUp profile. Once the settings page loads, take a moment to look it over. Near the top, you'll find your existing profile picture. Hover your mouse directly over that image and you'll notice an option appear, either a button labeled Change Photo or a small edit icon overlaid on the picture. Click that. ClickUp will then give you the option to upload photo, so go ahead and select that. Your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to wherever you've saved the image you want to use and select that file. ClickUp will begin uploading it right away. Depending on your connection and the file size, this only takes a second or two, so just give it a moment. Once the image uploads, ClickUp may give you cropping and repositioning tools. Use these to frame your face or logo exactly how you want it. A centered, tightly cropped image tends to look the sharpest at small avatar sizes. Take a quick look at the preview to make sure you're happy with how it looks. And if anything seems off, adjust it now before committing. When you're satisfied, click Save or Apply Changes. If the new photo doesn't appear in the sidebar straight away, just refresh the page and it will update. After that, jump into any task or comment thread and you'll see your new picture appearing alongside your name across the entire workspace. You can repeat this whole process anytime you want to swap the image out again. It only takes about a minute once you know where to go. One quick tip before you go, choose a clear professional photo. In a busy workspace with lots of team members, a recognizable avatar makes it much easier for colleagues to spot your contributions at a glance. And that's it, you've successfully updated your ClickUp profile picture. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.